Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant and welcome back to my channel HomeoHeals. So I have been treating patients with thyroid problems since many years now, helping patients to have a pill-free life. So that is my main goal. I have been posting videos about hypothyroidism, hypothyroidism, and there have been a lot of questions regarding to how homeopathy help. So today I'm going to share a case so that we can understand in a better way that how homeopathy helps in such cases, what is our approach. Now this patient had consulted us online. So yes, we do take online consultation and it is going to be one-to-one basis on a video call. So if you're someone who is not staying in Mumbai, outside Mumbai, all right, even then you can consult us. We do consult throughout the India and also globally. So this patient, now let's start with the case. Now this patient consulted me online on last year in September end. So the main concern was that she was a diagnosed case of hypothyroidism and she had thyroiditis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune condition. So she was diagnosed with it in 2021, was on conventional medicine, but then she stopped the medicines. She took it maybe for 5-6 months and then she stopped. And recently for almost 3 to 4 months, she started developing symptoms of hypothyroidism again, where she had weight gain, she had joint pains, which were wandering pains from one joint to another. She was having dryness of skin, laziness, and a lot of other symptoms of hypothyroidism. She was not feeling good overall. She was feeling too sleepy and lazy to do things. Then also she had decreased libido, that is decreased sex drive. So these were her symptoms. She did her thyroid reports, which were in which TSH was high, free T4 was low. That means she was clearly a case of hypothyroidism. She again repeated her antibodies, thyroid antibodies, which were again high. Now the main reason for her to consult a homeopathic doctor like me, that she wanted her thyroid to be in control. She wanted that this Hashimoto's thyroiditis also comes under control, and she wanted to plan a baby because it was almost 2 to 3 years for a marriage, and that was her main concern, that my thyroid should be under control so that we can plan a baby. So she was not under any medicines, okay, when she consulted me. Few here and there, 3-4 months back she took medicines for some joint pains, that's it. So the another issue, okay, in this case was, as I said, they were planning for a baby, but she had a lot of fear and anxiety about sexual intercourse. She also was suffering from something called as vaginismus, where there is pain during sexual intercourse, and because of that she was refraining from sexual intercourse and she was not allowing her husband. So this was also the major concern, and that was really troubling her and her partner. So this were the two major issues with which she consulted me. Now as a homeopathic doctor, apart from the chief complaint, I inquired about her lifestyle, about her behavior, her temperaments, her reaction, right, about her interpersonal relationship with husband, why this vaginismus developed, why there is this fear and anxiety about pain. So we inquired a lot. We had a 1 hour consultation with the patient and tried to understand her childhood, what was her mental state before marriage, after marriage, how is her reactions, what is her lifestyle, eating habits, etc, etc. So that is very important for a homeopathic doctor, because that is going to help us to assess the remedy, because this is a chronic problem. It is an autoimmune problem which requires a detailed case taking. So after case taking, I also counseled her, okay, for her vaginismus problem, and I told her that homeopathic medicines are going to help you with both the issues. At the beginning she was also not, she was not aware that homeopathy can also help with her fear and vaginismus issue. So I told her that it will help in that too. So we started the treatment from October, and again we repeated thyroid after 2-3 months. I think I repeated the thyroid in November, December. I'll share the reports where the TSH, which was high, came back to normal range, right? Slowly, okay, and after 2 months of homeopathic medicine, her fear, okay, of sexual intercourse, fear of pain also got better. She said she was able to have sexual intercourse with her husband. So you're understanding, after 2 months of homeopathic medicines, there was so much of development. And good thing is that in January, okay, she had January, she missed her period and she conceived. So you're seeing, you can see that with a span of 3 to 4 months, we were able to bring her TSH normal, okay, within limits. We were able to solve her problem of vaginismus. So with a detailed case taking, we can do that. And in this case, the remedy which was prescribed was pulsatilla. And again, do not take these medicines for all the cases, because in homeopathy, every individual is going to get another medicine depending upon your life history, your entire, from your childhood till to today, what is your temperament, etc. So do not take any homeopathic medicines which have been shared directly on the video. Consult a doctor. For acute problems, it's okay, but for chronic problems, it is not going to work. So even now, when she is in her first trimester, her thyroid is very well under control. The TSH is within the range of 1, which is ideal. During pregnancy, the TSH should be below 2, because in pregnancy the thyroid gland is also functioning more. So, and if the female's thyroid is not under control, it can have a lot of effects on the child. So it is very important that the thyroid should be controlled during the pregnancy, and which we are doing only with homeopathic medicine. She is not taking any other conventional medicine or any other medicines for her thyroid. So you understood that homeopathy can help at so many levels. Even mentally, she is doing much better. She had a lot of anxiety, fear issues, which are also doing much better way. So when you're suffering from such a problem, firstly, consult a homeopathic doctor, okay, nearby. If you want to consult me, as I said, my clinic is in Malad, Mumbai. If you can visit the clinic, we can do in clinic consultation, or I do online consultation all over India, even globally. So you can contact us on the number given below, or you can Gmail me on my mail address. I hope this video was helpful to you all, and you could understand how homeopathy helps in such cases. If you have any questions, do write down in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.